Welcome to the tutorial on building a FastField form. In this guide, we will walk you through the steps to create a form using FastField. Let us see the different ways to log in to FastField account and find out which way you have to log in. Go to the FastField login page with URL shown. If you do not have a Quickbase account, you can log in with your registered mail ID by entering the password. You can log in with your organization's SSO. Single sign-on or SSO lets users log in once with one set of credentials to access multiple applications. Third method is log in with Quickbase account. You can log into FastField using Quickbase Mail ID. There are two ways you can create a form. In the first method, click on My Forms and select Forms. A green New Form button appears at the top right corner of the navigation panel. Click Plus Form from the drop-down options. Second option is to click New Form in the left panel and click on Plus Form. The form title will appear at the top of your form. Click on pen icon to edit form title. Name the form and click on OK. Don't forget to save your form by clicking on Save Draft. Congratulations! You have successfully created a form and named it.